In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Shopify to Etsy. We'll walk through the entire process of connecting your Shopify store to Etsy using an app, so you can sync products, imports, and reviews without having to manage everything manually. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. You should be on the main admin homepage where you can see your store overview. This is the control center for everything we're about to do. At the top of the page, click on the search bar. This is the universal search in Shopify that helps you quickly find settings, apps, and features without digging through menus. Type apps into the search if you don't see it right away, then select the apps section from the results. Once you're in the apps area, look for the option that says all recommended apps and click on it. This takes you to a curated list of apps Shopify thinks might be useful for your store. Now, on that page, find and click on the link that says Discover More in the Shopify App Store. This will open the full Shopify App Store, where you can search for the app we need to connect Etsy. In the App Store, go to the search bar and type Etsy. You'll see a list of integration tools. From the results, look for Etsy Importer and Sync by SP and click on it. This app is designed to connect your Shopify store with Etsy so you can sync products and related data between the two platforms. On the apps page, click the install button. Shopify may show you a permissions screen explaining what data the app can access. Review that, and when you're ready, click install again to confirm and add the app to your store. After installation, you'll be taken to the app interface inside Shopify. Here, look for a button that says Connect Etsy and click it. This will open a pop-up window from Etsy. In the pop-up, sign into your Etsy account using your usual login details. Make sure you're logging into the Etsy shop you actually want to connect to this Shopify store. Once you're signed in, Etsy will ask you to authorize the connection. Approve the access so the app can sync data between the two platforms. After authorization, you'll be prompted within the app to choose a pricing plan. Select the plan that fits your needs and confirm. Once that's set up, you'll be able to start importing your Etsy products, reviews, and other available data directly into Shopify, keeping your listings consistent